Hi, in front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch Fit new, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press and hold on the middle of the screen on the current watch face to open the watch face menu, like this. And in the watch face menu, you can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you like to use, and then tap on it to apply it. For example, this one, like this. You can also change the watch face via the phone app. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can open the HUAWEI Health app on that phone. In the app, tap on Devices, then tap on HUAWEI Watch Fit on the list of devices. Now scroll down and you should have the watch faces category right here. Tap on More, then Next, Allow, then tap on Mine, and here you have a list of watch faces available on your watch. Find the watch face you like, tap on it, then tap on Set as Default, and after a few seconds the watch face will be applied on your watch, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.